Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you're all well. So recently I filmed a spring cleaning wardrobe declutter video, but I didn't have any sort of plan to it. I kind of just vlogged it and it turned out to be the longest, most boring video I've ever filmed. I was editing it and I was just like, no, I wouldn't watch this. So instead I thought I would do a bit of a sit down video. And after I cleared out my wardrobe, as always what happens after you do these things is I went on a little bit of an online shopping haul. I was having like a day at home, feeling a bit unwell, and you know when you feel unwell and you start feeling better, all you want to do is shop? Yeah, that kind of happened. So I bought some things online, so I thought I would turn this into a bit of a haul slash wardrobe clear out and just insert some of the clips that I vlogged, not everything, because you would literally fall asleep. But basically what I did and what I tend to usually do in spring and autumn is just go through my wardrobe, especially because I know we're moving out soon. I just wanted to get rid of the stuff that I'm not wearing. I hate the idea of clothes just sitting in my wardrobe or sitting in my drawers and not getting worn. Like, I just don't see the point. The first thing I did is go through all of my sunglasses. I have so many and I never wear them. The only ones I ever wear are my round Ray-Bans. So I went through my sunglasses and got rid of so many of them. These ones from Ray-Ban, although I think they are cool, they're very similar to my round ones, but I just think they're not as nice. These also from Ray-Ban I'm gonna be getting rid of because I don't like the green color. I find that they clash with most of the colors that I wear in my clothes, and if I'm wearing like a red lip or something like that, just looks a little bit festive. These from Ray-Ban are really old. They're just a really weird shape. They're not the Wayfarers. I'm not even sure what they are, but they don't suit me. Also these from Whistles. I absolutely love these, but they don't fit me. They are far too big and they just constantly fall off my face. I wanted the So Real Dior sunglasses for so long, but actually I really didn't get much wear out of them. I don't think the shape suits my face at all. It makes me look a bit sad. I just, no, they don't suit me. First time I went to buy the So Real sunglasses, they didn't have them. I felt like I kind of got bullied into buying these because I was too shy to tell the sales assistant that I didn't love them. Anyway, it was many years ago, and yeah, these also just don't really suit me. These are just crazy sunglasses from Wild Fox. The uni student in me always wants to hold on to things like this in case I need them for fancy dress, but I never do fancy dress anymore, so definitely need to give these away. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sunglasses. I also had a few other items of clothing that I just knew I wanted to get rid of. I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna sell them on Depop or just give them to friends. If I can kind of get my head around the whole Depop thing, I would definitely try and do that. I don't know if you guys remember this Topshop blazer. I wore it to BeautyCon the day that I crashed my car and I was vlogging for Vlogmas. It's like pink and shiny, and I wore it a couple of times and then I just kind of fell out of love with it. And then also this dress from Needle and Thread, which I bought for my friend's wedding, which I don't know if you guys remember me trying it on, but I really struggled to like lift my arms up in it. I felt like the arms were just kind of sewn on in a strange way that it wasn't comfortable. It's really embroidered, but also it's very silver and I don't wear much silver anymore. I really like the shape of it, but I just don't get wear out of it, and it's a really nice dress, so someone else could definitely get much better use out of it. And then what I tend to do is just go through my entire wardrobe and pull everything out. So I went through all of my hanging tops, all of my hanging trousers, and then everything in my drawers as well. And I'll just insert a few of the clips of the things that I decided to keep and things that I decided to get rid of. This one is a definite no. This is the one from Topshop. I just think it fits really badly. It looks really unflattering around my boobs. It's this weird like stretchy material, which just, I don't think it sits nice. This one's definitely going in the giveaway pile. So now what I've done is laid out all of my t-shirts and stuff that were in the drawer over there. This is turning into a bit of a what's in my wardrobe, because there's not that much stuff that I'm going to be getting rid of. I also know I don't need to try them on. I've clearly got a lot of like graphic tees. These ones are going to be getting rid of. This one I've just had for years. I only wear it for lounging around the house, which I just think is a silly reason to keep it because I have so many others. This grey t-shirt from And Other Stories is just a really sweaty material. This one, obviously now I've got the Girl vs. Cancer one. I don't need this as well. This is from Suzanne. I loved this t-shirt when I got it, but it is quite a tight fit, and also the grammar just drives everyone insane. So I think I'm going to get rid of that. And this one's from Topshop, and I just feel like it's a bit done in my wardrobe now. So I'm going to get rid of all of these t-shirts, which I think is quite good. I've put some shirts here, a few jumpers, my trousers are down there, and then I've got the drawer with t-shirts and a few jumpers there, and then the jumper drawer, which is now very neat. Basically, in the end, I ended up with 3 massive piles of things to give away. Not necessarily stuff I dislike, just stuff that I'm not really getting enough wear out of, that I think could go to better homes, and it kind of frees up some space in my wardrobe as well. I also reorganized my drawers, folded everything really nicely, and yeah, I just love a good wardrobe spring clean. So as I said, I did a bit of online shopping. I bought some stuff from Topshop, and I never usually shop for Topshop online, so this will be interesting. I also bought some stuff from ASOS, and a few of the items I had to order in 2 sizes, which sometimes I do. I order like a 10 and a 12 and then try on and send back the one that doesn't fit. People are always asking me about my size, which is kind of weird, but people are always like, no way, you're a 10. I'm a 10 on a good day. I'm 5'7", I have big boobs, I've got big hips as well, so I'm really happy if I'm a 10. But sometimes I'm a 12. I really like wearing quite oversized clothes, so that's fine. I was in And Other Stories last week, and I tried on a top in a 14 and a dress in an 8. So I really just don't care about sizes or look at them. For me, it's just how I look when I look in the mirror and how I feel when I'm wearing clothes. That's kind of what's most important. Sizes are so different in every shop, so I wouldn't get too hung up on that. But that's why I sometimes have to order a few different sizes. So I think I'll start with the ASOS stuff. And I don't usually do these kind of hauls where I'm literally opening it on camera, and whenever I watch other people's hauls like this, it's always funny because they're like, I love this top, it looks so nice, and then they insert a clip of them trying it on and they're like, no, it is not nice. And I always think it's quite funny that you don't know what it's going to look like. So I will talk you through each item, but until I try them on, I will not know if they're nice or not, and I might end up hating it all. It's very likely, knowing me. Also, that would be great for my bank account if I do hate it all. So I'm just gonna rip open this ASOS one and see what's inside. I'm just gonna like tip it out here. Ooh, earrings. These are from Whistles, I think, but they came in a little ASOS package. Maybe they're not from Whistles. I'm going to be linking everything down below in the description box, so open that up and check for the links. I thought these would be really pretty, and I don't change my earrings that often. I get so many questions about where these bar earrings are from, and I think they were Oliver Bonus actually. The rest are all kind of Maria Tash, and I just leave those in, but I like the option of changing these first ones. So I ordered these from Whistles, and they're basically like little hanging leaves. I just thought that would be really pretty. They're not too big, they're not too small. I won't do little like cutaway for you because that's what they look like, but I'm pretty sure I'll end up keeping those. It says on here that those were £19, which isn't too bad. Okay, next up is a bit of a wild card, and I always end up with these when I do online shopping because they're the sort of things that I would take into a dressing room, a changing room to try on in a shop and be like, ooh. But when you're online shopping, you just don't know. I'm always very good with ASOS returns. I like to keep them all in their plastic packaging, but apparently you don't actually have to. Pretty sure this is from, yeah, this is ASOS own brand. It's yellow, white, and black. I'm just so into yellow at the moment. Everyone is. It's a massive trend color for this season. First impressions are the material feels a little bit like cheap and sweaty, but I just thought it's quite thin. That's definitely gonna be see-through as well. Ooh. Don't like see-through clothes, but I'm gonna try it on. I think maybe tucked into jeans. I like that it's got this tie front. I think that could be cool. I actually think I quite like this. It's maybe not something that I would have in my wardrobe forever, but as a trend piece, I think it's quite nice. I think this little detailing is nice for my sort of body shape. I'm probably not wearing the right jeans for it. I'd probably wear something a bit tighter and maybe black jeans. But I think the stripe is just a little bit interesting and different. And the material feels lightweight, quite easy to wear. This boob looks a bit big, which I don't know about that. But I think my initial feelings are that I quite like it. Okay, next up. Oh, I'm so excited. I got this in 2 sizes. Let me open this up and show you. Everyone seems to be wearing, oh, Mark told me what this was called on the weekend. A shacket? I think it's like a mix between a shirt and a jacket. And I think that's what this is, because it's kind of like corduroy material. It's orange, very into my colour at the moment, and it looks like a shirt, but it's kind of thick enough that you can wear it like a jacket. I ordered this at a 12 as well because I thought it actually could look really cool oversized, but I didn't want it to be too big, and I just never know. So I think that would look really nice over like a little t-shirt or something, and jeans. A like pop of colour. Really love the orange. Excited to see what that looks like on. This is the shacket and I really love the colour. I think it's a very relaxed style. Actually, what size is this? I didn't even check. This is the 10, so I'll probably try on the 12 just to be safe, but I reckon this is oversized enough. Actually, I don't think it needs to go bigger than this. I think it's really cool. I think it's very much like a weekend style. with jeans, but I think I'm quite into it. My friend Deb's is coming over later, so maybe I'll ask her how's best to style it, but I think I'm gonna keep it. This is the 12. Actually, I really like the 12 as well. I think maybe it makes even more of a statement. I'm gonna try on both again later and just have a little look. There's not much difference, but I think maybe it needs to be quite oversized, but I definitely love the color. I think it looks really cool. Okay, next up, I have no idea what this one's gonna look like, but it's a boiler suit. Again, just ASOS own brand, got it in 2 sizes. They don't have many boiler suits on the website, and I wasn't massively fond of this color. I really like the color, but I think it could really wash me out. So that was my worry. Ooh, also the material, that feels like very sweaty. And jumpsuits and boiler suits, you do not wanna get sweaty in because you will get a sweaty bum crack. Not gonna lie. So kind of weird, thin, feels a bit like polyester-y. I don't know what it's actually made from, but it's a boiler suit, short sleeve. So it's got this like pockets, it's got big pockets on the front, button down, and then it's wide leg, which I just thought would be really cool. I think I'd get too sweaty in the crotch, sorry for TMI, but it's just so true. Also, I think this would get very creased, so I'll try it on, but I don't think that one would be a winner. If you guys know of any like boiler suits that are made from nice material, maybe like a linen actually, that is what I'm on the lookout for. This is the boiler suit, and it's made me realise that I definitely like the idea of a wide leg boiler suit, and I really want to try find another one. But for me, the material for this one isn't right. I would be very worried about getting sweat marks on it, and it's just so creasy as well. I definitely think I want one in a bit of a thicker material, but I really like the style of this kind of like shirt front. It's got one button, then a little bit of a zip, short sleeves. I think this is really cool, and I think because I'm tall I can kind of get away with it. So that's everything from ASOS. I didn't go too wild. Now let's open up the Topshop order. Alright, the first thing I got, again in 2 sizes, is a white shirt. Let me take off the plastic packaging. I think I saw this in Susie's haul, and I've been looking for a white shirt for so long. I really like the look of white shirts like tucked into jeans, but it's really hard to find the right one. I find that a lot of shirts are just too stiff. This feels really nice. It's got the kind of drop shoulder thing, which I don't love, but it does give it a nice kind of casual feel. It's got these like tortoiseshell buttons and a big pocket. I think I'm really gonna like this actually. So I got that again in a 10 and a 12. I'm gonna try on both, probably tucked into jeans, and see what I think. This is the white shirt, and I think it's really nice. This is actually the 10, and I think it's big enough. It is a little bit see-through, but I think with a nude bra it's okay. It's nice untucked for a more relaxed look, and then you could also tuck it in. I really like it. I really like the material actually, because it's the sort of material that I think can crease and it will look like it's meant to be creased, and that's fine. I'm so happy I finally found a white shirt that I like, so thank you Susie for putting this in your haul. Ooh, this looks nice. So I've got this top in white already. So I saw this on the website and I know that the style is going to suit me. Really nice with high-waisted jeans or trousers. I feel like the material of this one is different. It's a bit thicker. Let me see if I can see what it's made from. Yeah, it's got 12% linen in it, so that's why it's a little bit thicker and it won't crease as easily. So I really like this. I would definitely look into other colours as well, but again, this is like a mustardy yellow, which I think will look really nice and quite like 70s vibes. I knew I'd like this one. I just really love the shape of these tops, the way the buttons go to the side. It's got a little pocket. And I love the colour. I think yellow goes so well with blue, and I wear blue denim all the time. The sleeves are long enough that it's flattering if you like don't love the tops of your arms or whatever. And it's a really perfect length as well. It's not too cropped and it's not too long. You don't have to tuck it in. It falls kind of just below where the jeans kind of come up to. Really, really like this top. Definitely gonna look into what other colours they have, because I feel like this will be my like spring, summer staple top. I saw this on the Topshop website. I think Susie might have featured this as well. Sorry Susie, I'm basically just like copying your haul. This is one of those ones that I was like, I know it won't suit me. I just know it won't, but I really wanted to try it. I just want the opportunity to try it. This is not gonna suit my body shape because I have big boobs, but I just liked the kind of peplum style of it. So I just thought it'd be really cute and summery. It's got these little straps and then it's kind of stretchy over the boobs, which I am gonna hate, I know I am. But then I like how it kind of goes out. It just looks so nice on Susie, but I know it won't suit me, but I'm gonna try. We'll see. I really like the red and white like gingham picnic table print. I don't know how I feel about this top, because there are elements I like and elements that I don't like. So I really love this peplum style on me, because my tummy is my least favourite part. I feel like it really flatters. It kind of goes in at the small bit and then goes out a little bit, but it's short enough that you can still wear it with jeans. I don't hate this part as much as I thought I would. If anything, it kind of like straps my boobs in and makes them feel a bit smaller, which I am really into. These sort of straps I don't think suit me, this sort of straight down, straight across thing. It would have been kind of more flattering to be a slight V or a slight halter neck. I'm quite broad, so I don't think this style straight across suits me. But I think like as a whole, it's quite a cute summery top. Not with these jeans. I think I'd need to wear tighter jeans. Really don't know about this top. Again, I think I'm just gonna have to show my friend when she comes over later and see what she thinks. It's probably gonna be a no, but it might be a yes. Oh, these feel really soft. These are tracksuit bottoms, but I thought the idea of them for me was I can kind of wear them out maybe. They're black, they are very soft, and they've got one white stripe going down the side. Oh, loungewear for life. My fave, it's just my fave, comfy clothes, but I thought these would look nice working from home or like running errands or traveling, which I'm not really doing much of. I tried on the 12 in these first because I'm tall and these are definitely the right size for me. I don't know how I feel about them because on one hand they're so comfortable and soft, but on the other they're really quite unflattering because they're such thin material, they cling to everything, and you definitely have to wear a thong with them, which I'm just not a fan of, especially if I'm wanting to be comfortable and like lounging. So I don't know, actually I should look at how much these are. They're £22, so I think the question is whether I want them just to lounge around the house in and be comfy, because I probably wouldn't wear these out. I'm gonna have a think. But I think if you've got a really great figure and you feel really comfortable like wearing a thong and you maybe aren't as hippie as me, these would be really nice because they're so soft, they're so comfortable. Oh yeah, this looked nice. Oh, I think this is gonna be nice. This is like a black shirt. It's got that kind of tuxedo front, so it's quite low, and then it's got two double-breasted buttons and loose arms. I just thought it's a little bit short. That would look really nice tucked into jeans. Very excited to try that one. Oh no, how annoying that I'm liking everything, but this top, I really like it. It's so different for a shirt. I love that it's got the 4 buttons, so you can't really see because the light's not great here. I love that it's shorter sleeve, so it's a bit more of like a casual summer version of a shirt. Some of my shirts are just quite wintry. I love this V again. This is a sort of shirt collar that really suits me rather than a high collar that's quite like stiff. This more relaxed collar suits me. I love that it's short, so you can wear it with high-waisted jeans, but it's still quite loose as well. It's not like a crop top. And it's kind of smart as well. Love this so much. Okay, the final item from Topshop. It is red. Oh yeah, this is a summer dress. So the one holiday that I've got planned this year so far, maybe at all, I'm not sure, is at the end of May. And I thought this dress would be just really nice for like by the pool. It's got spaghetti straps, which I would never normally wear, but like when I'm by the pool I would. And then it's got little buttons, and it's just really loose and easy. It's just like a little beach dress, and I feel like that's something I can just wear every year. You know, with like summer clothes, you just have them under your bed and you wear the same ones every year. Sometimes I just need to refresh my stock a little bit, and that's what I thought this would do. I'll probably have a bikini on underneath this rather than a bra, but I knew this would be fine. It's just such a lovely beach kind of pool dress, very easy, lightweight. I quite like the little frills, and sorry, you can definitely see my underwear under here, but really comfortable. Love it, and I love the colour. I've also got one item here from And Other Stories that I want to show you guys. Just for transparency, I didn't buy this. And Other Stories are being very kind at the moment and sending lots of lovely stuff to bloggers, and I'm very lucky to be included in that group. And I've just been loving their clothes, so I've got some more things arriving this week, and if they come in time, I try and like film on another day and add those in as well, but if they don't, I'll show you another time. But this came last month and I absolutely love it. It's a silk shirt and it's got buttons down the front. It's that same style which I really like, and it's got pockets as well, so it looks a bit like a jacket, but it's a shirt, and it's got this kind of subtle pinstripe, and I absolutely love this. I will show you what it looks like on. Oh, isn't this shirt just dreamy? I love that it looks like posh pajamas. I've actually also ordered the matching trousers, which I don't know how they will look, but on the website the girl's wearing this shirt tucked into the trousers, and it looks like she's wearing pajamas, and I kind of like it. So I'm gonna try those on, but for now I just love the shirt. I love the weight of it. It's really quite heavy, so it hangs really nicely. I think it just looks really cool. I can't wait to wear this. So that is everything from my haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing me try them on, talk a little bit about my wardrobe clear out. Let me know if you like those kind of organization videos. I'm maybe not the best at them. Definitely check out Anna's channel if you want to see more of that kind of stuff, but let me know if you're into it, and then maybe next time I do it, I'll do a more kind of thorough, detailed video on that. If you haven't yet, please do subscribe to my channel, and if you feel like you're not seeing my videos every week, just click on the little bell button. That will give you a notification on your phone every time I upload, because I'm finding every week that my videos just don't seem to be going into everyone's subscription boxes. So that's probably the easiest way to get notified. But thank you so much for watching this one. Please do leave me a comment, because I love reading them and replying to as many as I can, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.